Another hot day for New South Wales, but no heat records today. We are seeing a southerly move throughout parts of the state, tempering those temperatures just slightly. And for the west, a very hot day, potentially the hottest pair of days for you in Perth in 2 years. We'll first start with what's happening in the east here, because yesterday we had a squall line move across parts of New South Wales to produce dust storms for places like Broken Hill. See the visibility there not looking too good yesterday. Gusts reached as high as 83 kilometers an hour with this southerly change as it moved through. At the very least, it dropped temperatures ever so slightly. Further to the southeast, it actually caused storms to form closer to the coast. We even saw some pretty heavy rainfall rates around Bega, and the remnants of those storm systems have turned into rain and is moving over parts of the Illawarra, Sydney, and Blue Mountains region right now. It's fairly drizzly rainfall, and as such, we're recording less than a millimeter, if not trace amounts of rain in the gauge. Rain since 9 at Canberra is not 1 millimeter there. Bega 24 millimeters, and then Merimbula 7 millimeters of rainfall. Now, the southerly change that we're expecting on the New South Wales coast is actually not as strong as what weather models have indicated. Therefore, we're seeing calm winds for some areas on the coastal fringe, only about sustained 15 to 20 kilometers an hour for other areas, even though you can see the weather models are picking potentially some areas of strong winds for the coast. Actually, where we're seeing the strongest winds is inland areas. Places like Broken Hill, Fowler's Gap are getting sustained winds of 30 to 40 kilometers an hour right now. So it's not doing too much to those temperatures on the coast, and the calm winds in Sydney are making it feel quite muggy at the moment. Again, I said the gustiest winds out in the west at the moment. Broken Hill sustained winds of 30 to 40 kilometers an hour. 21 degrees, so a little bit more mild compared to the last few days at the very least. We're seeing at least some cooler envelop view there. Not so much for you in Tibba Bar, 33 degrees currently. It's not the day of a heat wave. It's not a severe intensity heat wave. It is a low intensity heat wave as defined by the Bureau of Meteorology. And a large area of Australia is affected by it, including most of New South Wales, excluding parts of the coastline, including Sydney and Newcastle and Wollongong. We have most of the northern Victoria, most of South Australia, including you in Adelaide, going for 30 degrees today, 35 in Mildura, and 27 degrees for places like Launceston. So even fairly warm in Tasmania today, but 40-degree heat plaguing central New South Wales. It's 20 degrees in Perth at the moment, 18 degrees in Adelaide, and 18 degrees in Melbourne as well. In the west, we're going to see those temperatures rise today as well as easterly desert winds race towards the coast and prevent sea breeze development for a little bit longer than usual. We'll probably still see a sea breeze, but it'll just be delayed that much more, and so those temperatures could hit 39, 40 degrees today in places like Perth. That's led to elevated fire danger, with severe fire danger further to the north, the Gascoyne Coast, Exmouth Gulf Coast, and the West Pilbara Coast with the Ashburton Inland, all with severe fire danger today. In severe fire danger, when fires start, they can become unpredictable and quick-moving, and they can start spot fires 3 kilometers ahead of the main fire front. So you need to know what you're going to be doing in the event of a major bushfire near you.